Meaning of flak jacket.
Flak jacket.
Flak jacket.
Flak jacket.
Flak jacket. A flak jacket is a type of protective vest that is designed to shield the wearer from shrapnel and other ballistic threats. The jacket typically consists of multiple layers of reinforced materials such as Kevlar or other synthetic fibers, and may also include ceramic or metal plates for additional protection. It is commonly worn by military and law enforcement personnel in combat or other high-risk situations. The term flak refers to anti-aircraft artillery fire, which produces shrapnel that poses a significant threat to soldiers and other personnel on the ground.